lesson 6 focuses on plants need water to grow. And so now we're going to give the students some more evidence so that they can provide that for their claim. Of the 4 plants that you planted earlier, you're going to need 2 for lesson 6. One you're going to label with water, and the other one you can label with no water. Something that might be really helpful for you is that lesson 6 comes with a model lesson overview in your Twig Science digital resources. We're going to take a look at what that might look like for you. From driving question 2, in order for you to get to the overview for the lesson, you're going to go ahead and click into the driving question. And you're going to go down to lesson 6, plants need water. And then you're going to click on overview if you're not already on that tab. Scroll all the way down to the bottom until you get to the resources there and the preparation. The video at the top is a language routine video, but this one right here where it says plants need water model lesson video is the one that shows exactly how to do this experiment. So you're going to make 2 labels, which we talked about earlier, one with water on the label and one with no water on the label, and then attach them to the plant pots. Go ahead and take a photo of those 2 plants and print them out because you're going to use these in your plant chart later in the lesson. The next 2 plants are going to be used for lesson 8, where we talk about plants needing sunlight. And so a lack of sunlight takes longer to have an effect than the lack of water. So just keep that in mind. Make sure that both of the sunlight experiment plants are adequately watered. So here is your plant chart that you're going to want to create. You're going to want to have the date, and then plant A, which is the one that you labeled with water, plant B with no water, right? And then the remaining 2 plants, plant C with sunlight and plant D, no sunlight. You're going to have a space for different photos, which you could actually put your picture there, or you could draw a picture of what the students are seeing, and then observations for each one as well. So go ahead and make sure that you also prepare a large sheet of paper for a team of students, 3 or 4 students. It's going to be big enough so that everyone can work on the same sheet at the same time. Don't forget about your academic word wall cards, claim, evidence, and experiment. So in the overview, Twig Science recommends using a big poster-sized paper to have a group of students draw a picture of an example of how water can make plants grow. You can try that example, use it that way. Otherwise, something that might be helpful is to maybe do it with individually with groups of students, and they can do it guided together, or you might want to have them do it on a little sticky post-it note and share out their ways that they have of different pictures of water making plants grow. Don't forget also that you're going to do the reflect activity at the very end, where the students are going to draw a picture from the picture of the rain or the water to the plant that is growing, and the no water to the plant that is not growing. And also don't forget to do letter E for your digital alphabet activity at the very end.